Hi guys, if you want to enable 5G network on your Samsung Galaxy M35 smartphone, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all go to settings and then scroll down and tap on connections. Now again scroll down and tap on mobile networks. Now here you will be able to see this option Vivo NR voice over 5G. So simply enable it. Once you enable this option, your smartphone will start using 5G data network for calls whenever possible. Next thing you have to do is tap on network mode, simply tap on it and make sure the 5G is selected here. You can see, make sure the 5G option is selected. Another option here is access point names. Simply tap on it. From here you will be able to see all the access points. If you have multiple access points, simply tap on this 3-dot icon here and then tap on reset to default. Now it will ask you to confirm, simply tap on reset and the access point data will be reset. And simply select the default one. Now let's go back. Another option here is network operator. Simply tap on it and make sure this select automatically option is turned on. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily turn on 5G network on your Samsung Galaxy M35. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.